From fixing roads to paying salaries on time, promoting transparency, and putting the people first, he's leading with vision and integrity.
The governor has done a lot which I've never seen in the history of Abia for the first time.
I can't what everybody say. I applied to be I can't wait to go home. I can't wait. Now, I can tell you very honestly, the secretariat they were talking about, because I went with my sister, that we stayed in a hotel right where it was the biggest I saw. It was horrific. And it is in a neighborhood that is so, huge houses with dilapidated windows and grounds. That place right now is phenomenal. Now, one of the reasons why people get nervous about going home is the fact that there are no hospitals. But what I hear is that if you get sick in Abia State, you don't have to come to the US. You don't have to go to London. You will be taken care of right there in Abia State. They're coming from different parts of Nigeria to get medical care in Abia State. That's the way it should be. That's leadership. So why, Yudi?
Yeah.
Why wouldn't we praise such a person? When you praise someone for doing something good, they do more.
Yeah.
This man is telling them it can be done. He's getting the same amount of money. But guess who I saw in Abia State? Ngozi Iweala, Ikonji Iweala.
Oh, okay.
Has been the head of World Bank. Now, let me tell you why I say that. Now, I don't know where the money is coming from. But if you're doing good, the right people, the people will see what you're doing. And whatever those projects are, it will be funded. I'm not saying that the World Bank is the best, but you're correct.
You're correct. All right, man. All right,
you know what I'm saying? So I am so proud of our governor, and I am praying that God will continue to bless him, so he will continue to do what he's doing. And like you said, there's no guarantee that we will not be stupid enough to let this man go. And then all this good stuff that he's doing will just be pushed back. So let us hope. You do your thoughts.
I mean, I'm just like a bride.
Did you see that medical health center?
I mean, my mind is blown right now, because even though I know that there are a lot of good things going on in Abia State, but I haven't really taken the time myself to kind of look at some of the infrastructure developments and really look at the micro. I've been looking at this from a macro perspective. I've never went micro to kind of like get into what's he doing here, there, education, schools, construction, all that stuff. So this is twofold, and I'm not going to spend time on what he's doing, the projects and all that stuff. I think we've discussed it ad nauseum already on this show. So we are all in agreement that Otti is a good leader. It really is. There are two folds. I'm trying to look at it from where do we go from here, right? We're all fascinated and proud and happy about seeing this kind of Black leadership in Africa, let alone Abia State, that to me personally probably was the worst run state in Nigeria for the past 25 years till this guy showed up. I mean, that's my take. Imo State could be worse. I don't know. But from my own perspective, Abia State just had nothing to write home about. So
nothing.
I'm looking ahead, and where do we go from here? What is going on? What is happening in Abia State? How did we get here? There are two folds to this thing that we need to look at. One is the macro aspect of it, which is dealing with infrastructure, the roads, the hospitals. We watched the video and we saw all this good infrastructure stuff going on, so on and so forth. That's the macro part. And that's usually the part that people look at, right? And you have to keep doing it, as our esteemed guest had, alluded to. Just keep doing it. Don't worry about all this other stuff. Just keep doing it. Then the micro part of it, in terms of sustainability, because the macro part of the sustainability is to keep doing. Whatever it is that you're doing that is making people happy and you're improving people's lives, you have to keep doing it. That is integral to your success, period.
Igbo,